Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful and so simple little star pattern, and we have here a little 3D effect with these loops. This is front side looking and this is the back side. Also you can use both sides. I use cotton yarns. It's 100 grams is 210 meters and I use 3 millimeter hook for this sample. And I will show you yarn art jeans. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our little star project. Let's start to crochet. First of all, we start to make slip knot. Then make your chains and not make your chains so tight. Okay, I'm not count my chains. If it's gets more, we will cut it and I will show you that's. I think it's enough for the sample. This is my first loop. Insert into the second one, grab my yarn. Insert into the next one, grab my yarn. Insert into the next one, grab my yarn, 4 loops. Insert into the next, 5. And insert into the next, 6. I have 6 loops. Pull through all together. And chain 1. Insert into that center, grab my yarn, 1. Insert my hook, look at here, I insert my hook, that loop, grab my yarn, 3. Insert last stitch, 4 loops, next stitch, 5, next stitch, 6. I have 6 loops again. Pull through all together and chain 1. This is the first loop. Insert into the center and take a loop. Then the last loop of previous star, here insert my hook, grab my yarn, 3rd, and the bottom of that star, grab my yarn, 4. Next one, 5. Next one, 6. Pull through all together and chain 1. 2 loops. Here 3 loops. Here 4 loops. Next one, 5. Next one, 6. Chain 1 and lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull through and chain 1. Insert into the center. Insert into the last loop of previous star. Insert into the last stitch of previous star. And next 2 stitch I take a loop and I have 6 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Totally 6. This is the first one, the second, 3rd, the bottom, 4th, and the next 2 stitch. Chain 1. 1, 2, totally 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. Pull through, chain 1, 2, here look at that, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. 1, insert into center, 2, insert into last stitch, 3, insert into the bottom of that, 4, next 5, next 6 and chain 1. Yarn over and insert into the next stitch and finish with half double crochet. Left here 2 stitch. You will make your chains which size you want. Okay, after if it gets more, you will cut it like that. Then take it and lock here. Make my half double last stitch. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that stitch. Insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. Then only we use the star center here. Insert into the center and make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Come to next star center and make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Come to next, 1 and 2. Always make 2 single crochet in the center of stars, 1 and 2. Always use center. Next star, 1 and 2. Next star, 1 and 2. Next star, 1 and 2. Come to the first stitch here and finish with single crochet. This is the finish of second row. Chain 2 and turn my work. Here is a little point. This is my first loop. I insert my loop here. Take a loop. I insert my dead loop. Take a loop, 3. I insert very first stitch. Take a loop, 4. And use for only back loops. Take a loop and next stitch, take a loop. I want to show you one more time. First star is important here. This is first loop. I insert my hook, first chains here, take a loop. Then here a loop I have, the second chains, take a loop, 3. I insert my hook, bottom of that very first, take a loop, and only use back loops here, 1 and 2. I have 6 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. This is the same place. 1 loop, insert into center, second loop. Insert your hook from here, the third loop, insert from the bottom the finish of that star here, fourth loop, and use 2 new stitch from only back loop. We use only back loop, so it gets here a little 3D effect. I have 6 loops, pull through all together and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, chain 1. Okay, always repeat that. When you finish here, come here, make half double crochet as same as the first row, then turn your work, make single crochet on the first stitch, turn with chain 1 and not count, and start with chain 1, make a single crochet and only use your star center and make 2 single crochet on your center and finish with single crochet, and always repeat those 2 rows. At the end of, you have this looking. I think it's beautiful, and you can use also your blankets parts, or you can do that all of your blanket. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.